Hey everyone, it's 7th and 8th grade career education, and I am Miss Lively. So, what career cluster are we going to learn about today? I wonder what it'll be. Hospitality and tourism. Hospitality and tourism careers make up the world's largest industry. Its workers manage, market, and operate restaurants and other food services. Lodging, like staying in hotels, attractions like amusement parks, recreation events like basketball events, and travel related services. You see, hospitality and tourism cover a large variety of careers, especially if you're interested in traveling. They're very busy people who cater to the needs of people that visit your town, maybe visit your city, maybe visit your state, or other countries of the world as tourists. If you enjoy a vacation, a large part of the reason why the services these employees give to you make you and your family feel comfortable. Their job is to make sure that you have the best vacation ever, even if you go to stay somewhere overnight and stay in a hotel. Their responsibility is to make sure that you and your family are comfortable. The personality type that works in this career, they have to be energetic. They must be result oriented, meaning they focus more on the result than the problem. They have to be spontaneous and live for the moment. At any time a problem could arise, and they have to be able to not to get frustrated, but be able to solve the problem. They have to be sociable, enjoy interacting with others. They have to be good-natured and fun-loving. They might be resourceful, meaning that again, if a problem arises, they have to be able to solve it with not much problems that come after it. They have to be highly observant with good memories for details. Sometimes they have a tendency to show off on occasions. But hey, why not? They just want to make sure that everyone has a good time. And they like to mimic or imitate things. Pathways to this career cluster include lodging, which again would be staying at a hotel, staying in cabins overnight. Um, Maybe there's Airbnbs that people do nowadays. Recreation, amusement, and attractions, restaurant and food and beverage service, or travel and tourism. Some sample occupations under this career cluster go with baggage porter and bellhop. Those are the people that take your suitcases and make sure they get to your room before you do. Catering and banquet manager, a chef, concierge. Now, that is the person that you might go to the front desk and they handle your reservations for you. Hotel manager, convention planner, restaurant owner, a tour guide, a travel agent, or a vacation resort manager. So, here's your assignment part 1. Hotel managers are responsible for making sure guests are happy and satisfied. They have to be able to give a solution if a guest has a certain problem. Not only do they have to worry about the guest, but they oversee their workers in the hotel too, to make sure that each worker is doing the best to their ability to make sure that all guests are comfortable. What skills and interests do you think might be necessary to become a hotel manager? Now remember, when we're talking about skills, these are things that you can acquire. Interests are things that you like. Please provide me with at least 3 skills or interests that you think it might take to become a hotel manager. The second part of your assignment is, what do you think the best job in this field would be? Look, if you need a hint, please look back to the sample occupations that I listed. Which one of them would be the best? Answer in 3 to 4 sentences on why you think this is the best job and how come you chose it. All right, until next time, have a good day, guys.